Hello again. That's a new type of bus there. Very new. Anyway, Polly steps today. Just a quickie. Lovely. As I say, a bit breezier today than yesterday, but actually a bit warmer in itself, despite the sky looking a bit darker. So I don't know what it's up to, but I'm not complaining. Like I say, Polly steps, Backbeach for then and now, then a couple of errands got to do in town. Nothing very exciting, just something from the chemist and something at the post office, if it's open after its flood the other day. All good. Now, the day that this video goes live will be the 17th of September, and that will be a 1-year anniversary from the big flood in the brook, which possibly led to some of the problems they've been having there, which we've covered before with the silt. Anyway, here's some shots from Andy put together to remind you of what was happening 1 year ago today in Dawlish. Here you go. Well, the day this video goes live will be the 17th of September, and that is actually a year since the flooding anniversary of the brook. So Andy has sent me some pictures or some video he took showing the strength of the river as it rushed down, or the brook burst the banks and caused a bit of chaos in Dawlish. Certainly shifted the silt on that occasion, but it didn't stop the trains, so that's one bonus, isn't it? Always good to know it doesn't stop the trains. Look at that. Terrible, isn't it, really? Power of nature. Wow. What a clean-up job that was. I say, that was a year ago today when this video goes live, the 17th September 2023. But the trains carried on as usual, despite the floods below them. What a terrible event. A year ago today. And on a good note, as you know, they protested about it and they appeared on Spotlight, etc. And they said things might start to be being done. Apparently things are in motion. Here you go. Pause it if you want to read it. And here's a pic of a solitary man starting the work. Lovely. Cheers, Andy. Still standing. As I said at the end of yesterday's video, those people that I bumped into, subscribers down at Salty Dog yesterday, said they'd been down at Polly Steps the day before and there was indeed a solo swan there. So fingers crossed, but I'm not holding out too much hope. But it'd be lovely, wouldn't it, if we could see him? Never know, never know. Thomas Looney House and Thomas Looney Cottage. As we know from previous videos, that building up ahead was once the Napoleonic prison. Apparently, where the Adicott Electrics is, that yard, that used to be the site of the old workhouse in Teignmouth. More on that at a later date, possibly, if I find more information. But it's one of those things I just picked up while I was looking for something else. A little bit late on the mark there. I was doing something on my phone. Whee! Certainly a blowy Polly Steps. Just do my quick scoot round, check everything's in order. There's Jangle, I can see that from here. But I'm sure there's a few of you that look out for your boats as well. But I don't actually know which specific boats are yours, obviously. And there we go, there's a large ship in. Very nice. Right, let's go and see if we can see Swan Solo, although I do somewhat doubt he's going to be up there. Long distance train in the wind. No chance to get to the secret tunnel today. The bird's going to fly off. Nope, but likewise, no sign of our good friend Swan Solo either. Oh, there we go. Like I said, not going to be too disappointed. Going to head back round now to the fish quay. Lovely. Yay! Train! Whee! Here we go, fish quay. There's Alan's boat. He should be down soon. Girl Rona there, docked up at the end of the fishing quay. We'll film that from the other side, get a better shot. There's a pilot boat of today. We'll be looking at the pilot boat of yesterday in a few days' time. And the Atlanta 2, that's the other fishing boat that was here basically when Girl Rona was away for repairs. And in the distance here behind, there's the boat that we were looking at Polly Steps. Remember standing here the other day and the tide was out past where I stood now. Quite different to see it like this. Nice visualisation of the breeze. Nice patriotic one. With Pam's old cottage. Slap bang there in the background. Got a feeling it might start to rain. Let's hope not. Now, as regular viewers will know, I often say any pictures, send them in. And I've had a lovely submission from Michael. Won't say his second name, but thank you, Michael. Now, these aren't pictures that he's taken himself, but it's like his own little collection of photos of the back beach. So we'll be doing those throughout the week and putting a bit of AI on them. So although I won't be able to line them up exactly necessarily, this is basically the area from here round to where we just walked. And I'll go and try and line the first one up, which is a nice one of an elderly lady on the beach and a boy fishing, based on that sort of jetty bit, which is visible in the photo. And then we're looking around here, and I'll just run the clip. So here we go again. Not that old, this picture. I'd say 80s. Going by what the child's wearing fishing. Anyway, into the AI. There we go. It's not gone too mad this time. That's its entire piece. Just do it again in slow motion. It's not decided to go crazy with the background or create anything that isn't there. It's just animating things as best it can. Yes, not too bad at all. And as usual, back to being frozen in time. Lovely. Like I say, I think that was this part of the beach here. Pretty sure it is. Was. Don't know what the AI made of it, so I haven't run the AI yet. But I'm sure it'll create something interesting. Smash in. Cheers, Michael. Pleased to be able to say that the toilets are reopened now after that arson incident. Not saying they've been shut since I mentioned the arson incident until today or anything, but that's the first time I've gone to use them and they were open, so that's great. Quick glimpse up the car park while we're here. There we are. The nest. Lovely. And quiet seafront. And no children on the skate park today. So I'll get a shot of that. Maybe do what I was to do then and now, but I haven't got any in my phone to hand. Well, that's come through to mind though. Remember I was saying about the graffiti the other night? Well, they put up a reward of £200 if someone will identify him. So that's good. That's good. You know, maybe chip in a bit more, have a whip round. Someone will crumble. In fairness, it's not too windy up here on the seafront. Usually, it's twice as windy as around the back. Today it's the other way around, which is nice. Of course, there are the tables, formerly known as Captain's tables, located conveniently outside of Venus. Oh yes. Right, head down now, see if the post office is reopened after the flood the other day. And I just noticed the top down carriageway appears to be reopened to traffic now, and open for parking. So that's good, lovely. Bowls, smashing. A little weather station there. Well, it looks like it's open. The sign outside says it's open. The doors are open. So I think we can say semi-safely it's probably open. So I'll go and do that and see you when I come out. That's extremely quick and extremely painless. Smashing. Well, that was good. I've run my little errand. That was nice and straightforward as well. Got what I needed. Smashing. Signage is down on the old pet shop. End of an era. There's our fountain. No seagull today. Never mind. A semi-busy triangle now. Lovely. All the rainbow flags appearing now. Teignmouth Pride this weekend. Apparently they ran that one up the flagpole there yesterday morning. So we got a 3-day event taking over the triangle and the street down there by the brass coming up this weekend. Shall we check that out? Why not? Yep, toot toot. Why not indeed? As we know, a little bit windy blows. Gonna head up home now. There's the anchor, all done up in rainbow colours. A load of windmills in the basket at the top there. Lovely. And there we go. Probably a bit of a shorter one today. Not sure how much I filmed, but I've enjoyed it anyway. I enjoyed my wander. See you again tomorrow, hopefully. Same time, same place. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.